Stay tuned to find out how to make this butterfly 3D art. Because of the type of canvas I'm using, it did not come with a hanger, so I'm going to create one using string and hot glue. You're going to cut your piece of string to the length of the canvas and then use hot glue to glue both ends down. While the glue is drying, I'm gonna get my butterflies ready for the front. I'm going to take these die cut butterflies and simply fold them on each side of the body of the butterfly. And this will allow the wings to stand up and give you a flat surface in which to glue the butterflies to the canvas once you get done painting. You'll do this to each of the butterflies, and you can use as many or as few as you like. The next step is to paint your canvas. I'm using Apple Barrel's pink eraser. You can do 2 light coats so that it covers the canvas fully, and if you want, you can kind of leave the edges not fully painted, because in the next step we're going to add some washi tape to the edges just to give the art a little bit more dimension. I also made sure to paint each of the 4 edges when I did my painting. Next, you're going to take your washi tape and add to each side of the canvas. You are creating a border so that each side has gold washi tape on it. Now keep in mind that this is completely customizable, and so you can use any color that you like as your background, as well as any color of washi tape. And the great thing about washi tape is it comes in such a huge variety of colors, patterns, glosses, so you can really let your imagination take flight with this and customize this to go in any room that you would want to put this art in. The last step to your art is to place and glue your butterflies. I kind of laid out where I wanted each butterfly to go before I hot glued them, but you have full freedom to glue as you go or however you want to do it. It's completely up to your interpretation, and there is a lot of room for customization when doing this project. And here is the finished butterfly 3D art. This came out so well. There are actually butterfly museums, but I like this option a lot better because you don't have to harm any butterflies in the making of this art. And the great thing is that they stand off of the canvas, and so it just really pops. And I love how the colors go together. This is one of my favorite pieces that I've made this year. Leave me a comment down below what colors you guys would have used to make your butterfly 3D art. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. I had a lot of fun creating this art. 3D art is really cool to me, and I thought that this was a really great interpretation of that. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave me a comment down below, turn your bell on for notifications, and share this video with a friend. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me. I know that we are all still going through this tough time of quarantine, and even for the states that are opening up, please just use common sense, you guys, and try not to go out if you just absolutely do not have to go out for essentials. All right, wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.